Let's talk about the real engine of modern business, social media and CRM. Social media is where your brand gets noticed. Instagram posts, tweets, TikTok dances, you name it. But CRM, customer relationship management, keeps track of who's actually paying attention. Alone, each is powerful. Together, they're unstoppable. Social media grabs attention. CRM helps you nurture it. It's the Batman and Robin of digital marketing. One makes noise, the other plans the next move. Combining CRM and social media is the ultimate power move. It's not just about being seen, it's about building real relationships. That's what this combo is all about. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. CRM is your company's digital brain. It remembers every customer's details, purchases, emails, even complaints. It pulls info from everywhere, sales, marketing, customer service, and gives you a 360-degree view of your customer. With CRM, you can group customers by habits, bargain hunters, VIPs, pumpkin spice latte lovers, you name it. This means smarter, more personal marketing. Instead of blasting the same message to everyone, you send the right offer to the right person. It's the difference between junk mail and a thoughtful note. CRM lets you treat customers like friends, not just numbers. You can send discounts to deal seekers, sneak peeks to VIPs, and relevant tips to everyone. That's how you win loyalty and sales. CRM isn't just software. It's your marketing team's secret superhero. Use it right and your customers will notice. Let's see what happens when you connect it to social media. When CRM meets social media, your marketing gets supercharged. Every like, comment, or DM is a chance to connect. CRM integration shows you who's engaging and what matters to them. You see their full history and can respond personally. Treat customers like VIPs, and they become loyal fans. Social interactions feed new data into your CRM. It's marketing with precision, not guesswork. That's the magic of CRM and social media together. Real relationships drive real results. Social media moves fast, and so should your marketing. Conversational marketing is in. Brands are chatting with customers, not just selling to them. Chatbots answer questions instantly, DMs offer style advice, and brands join conversations in real time. People want to be heard, not just sold to. The other big trend, data-driven decisions. Social platforms give you tons of analytics, likes, shares, clicks. But CRM tells you what matters. Are those likes turning into sales? Combine social data with CRM insights and you see the full picture. Now you know which campaigns drive revenue and which are just noise. It's the difference between guessing and knowing. That's how you stay ahead. Ready to make CRM and social media work for you? Start by picking tools that play well together. Think Salesforce, HubSpot, Hootsuite, or Sprout Social. Make sure your CRM integrates with your main social channels. Good integration means data flows automatically. No manual copy-paste. Focus on the platforms where your audience actually hangs out. Be a rock star on 1 or 2, not a background singer on 5. Integration might need some tech help, but most tools make it easy. Set it up once and let the software do the heavy lifting. Now, your social DMs show up in CRM profiles, and you can launch campaigns right from your dashboard. Less busy work, more real engagement. That's how you turn technology into results. Let's see who's already doing it. right. Nike and Amazon are masters of CRM and social media. Nike's Run Club app tracks your workouts and feeds that data into the CRM. If you're training for a marathon, you get running tips, not basketball ads. Nike uses CRM to personalize every message and social post, making you feel like part of the team. Amazon takes it even further. Every click, review, and purchase goes into their CRM. Their recommendation engine knows what you want before you do. The ads you see on social, they're tailored to your browsing history. It's hyper-personalized, and it works. Both brands use CRM data to make every interaction relevant. That's how you build loyalty and drive sales. Want to win like the pros? Follow their playbook. The future is even smarter. The future of CRM and social media is all about AI and automation. AI will predict what customers want, spot who's about to leave, and even draft responses for your team. Automation handles the repetitive stuff: welcome emails, birthday discounts, routing complaints. But with great tech comes great responsibility. Data silos and privacy are big challenges. Protect customer info and be transparent about how you use it. The marketing world is changing fast. Don't get left behind. Invest in tech that helps you connect and build trust. CRM and social media together aren't just a trend, they're the new standard. Embrace the future and start building real relationships today.